Hi, I'm Junior with Keystone RV Center. Today we're talking about one of the common problems we see with these new LED lighting. Fantastic. I really don't have a lot of problems with the bulbs. What I have a problem with is I go to press on this middle switch here and nothing comes on. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, so we're going to take this guy off here. And what we'll see, now somebody might have actually had to put some stuff in there, but we'll get building debris built up right inside this little piece here. You'll see maybe where it pokes out. So if we just tap on it, don't knock it right onto mom's floor. Okay, we haven't detailed this one yet, so it's okay. And I always routinely just turn it on and off, make sure it's not that. Throw this, catch that. Mark, did you catch that on camera? I caught it. Place it up here, rotate to the left initially till this light seats flush. Rotate to the right, turn it on. Good to go again, guys. So that's a quick little fix on the new LED lighting. Any other questions, give us a buzz, 1-800-232-3279. Have a great day.